Once the storms passed, we had scenes like this all across southern Colorado. The rainbow pictures filling up our Facebook and our Twitter feeds. Of course, thanks to everybody for sending in these pictures. They are absolutely beautiful, but they beg the question, what actually causes a rainbow? So lucky for you, I'm here to answer that question. Here's what happens. The light from the sun is actually white. Believe it or not, white light is comprised of every color you see in the rainbow. Once it hits a raindrop, obviously not to size, it refracts, it bends. All of those colors split from that white light, which then comes out of the other side of the rainbow, causing the colors that you see out there, because each color travels at a different speed. So all of those hit the edge of the raindrop at different times, causing them to bend, creating each individual row that you see in the rainbow. So kind of cool, something that we see a lot of out there today, and we're going to see more of tomorrow as another round of thunderstorms is expected to move through. We should stay pretty quiet here through the remainder of the night with clearing skies into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, plenty of sunshine, and that is going to last through lunchtime. If you are going to be out for the first half of tomorrow, you are going to want to slather on the sunblock because it is going to get hot in a hurry. But the clouds will roll in, bringing some relief from the heat during the afternoon, so that's the good news. The clouds will also bring a bit more in the way of rain. By 3 o'clock, should start seeing some of the mountain showers pushing across the I-25 corridor. Will be during the late afternoon and evening when you start to see the yellow colors popping up on Skycast. That Skycast way of suggesting that the storms that do develop will be capable once again of producing large hail and the potential for heavy rain. The storms will not be quite as numerous as they were out there today, but all we need is one storm to ruin a barbecue. So be sure to stick with us through the day tomorrow. We will be tracking these storms very closely for you. The storms will, though, come to an end by 9 o'clock, which means just in time for the fireworks displays, things should begin to quiet down. You may need a tarp to put on the ground because the ground may be wet, but as far as the fireworks shows themselves, the rain should not be falling at that time, so good news there. High temperatures tomorrow getting into the 80s and 90s, so it is going to be a toasty day, and we are going to keep the heat around through the second half of the weekend also. Tomorrow, 84 degrees. As far as your fireworks are concerned, we are expecting pretty nice conditions. Temperatures in the 80s at 6 o'clock, dropping into the 70s by 8 o'clock, and then 70 degrees will be the temperature at 10 o'clock. So if you are watching the fireworks outside, have a light jacket or a sweatshirt handy because it will cool down quickly after the fireworks show is done. 83 degrees on Sunday, 70s expected Monday, Tuesday. The monsoon is going to return to Colorado early next week, allowing those temperatures to drop and the chance for storms to increase. We're back in the 80s, though, Thursday and then again on Friday. In Pueblo, 93 degrees tomorrow, 94 on Sunday with temperatures falling into the 70s in Pueblo. Also on Monday, a 40% chance for storms, and then we'll take the storms out of the forecast late next week, Thursday, Friday, looking awfully nice. Canyon City, 88 tomorrow, 89 on Sunday, just a 10% chance for storms over the weekend. We'll kick up the chance for storms, though, as we get a bit more water to work with. Monday, Tuesday look to be pretty active days. Teller County, 77 tomorrow, 76 on Sunday. It'll be a warm weekend, but then things will cool down. In fact, Teller County not getting out of the 60s Monday and Tuesday, and we'll have a 50 to 60% chance for storms. So we will have isolated storms tomorrow and again on Sunday. Sunday looking to be the more active of the 2 weekend days, but keep in mind storms will be capable of becoming strong to severe. So even though we may not see many of them, the ones that we do see should pack a bit of a punch. So we'll have to track them closely, and of course we'll help you do that. We'll keep you ahead of the storms tomorrow, so keep it tuned to Channel 13.
So somewhat like tonight.
Somewhat like tonight.